We want to find out why this identity equal to 1. So what I'm gonna do is first write the definition of cosh of x and sinh of x. Again, you can also call them hyperbolic cosine and hyperbolic cosine sine. So this is just the definition of cosh and sinh of x. Now what we want to find is cosh square of x, which is the same as cosh of x all square. So I'm gonna take that fraction and I'm gonna square it. And when we have a fraction, we can square the numerator and square the denominator. So what I'm gonna do first, I'm gonna solve for the top term. So e to the x plus e to the negative x all squared. We're gonna solve it using this. A plus b squared equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, where a here is e to the x and b here is e to the negative x. And here ex squared can be written as e to x, and then here this exponent will be added or subtracted, and then again here e to negative 2x. So what we notice here, x minus x is just 0, and anything to the 0 is just 1. So it's gonna be e to x and then plus 2 multiplied by 1, which is just 2, plus e to the negative 2x. Now this is just the top term. Now let's go back to cosh square of x. So the top term gonna be again e 2x plus 2 plus e to the negative 2x all over 2 squared, which is 4. Now what we want to do is do the same thing for sinh. So we're gonna square sinh square of x. We want to find what's the function or what's the definition of that. Again, sinh square of x is the same as sinh x all squared. So I'm gonna take that fraction and I'm gonna square it again. So I'm just taking the same thing. And before I'm taking the top, I'm gonna first square the numerator and square the denominator. Now I'm gonna take the top term, I'm gonna try to simplify it. So a minus b squared, it's gonna be a squared minus 2ab and plus b squared, where a here is e to the x and b is e to the negative x. Now gonna be e to x and minus 2ex minus x and then plus e negative 2x. Remember, ex minus x is just 1. So we'll end up with e to the x minus 2 plus e to the negative 2x. Now I'm gonna go back to sinh square of x. And then the top term is what we just did. So it's gonna be e to x minus 2 plus e to the negative 2x all over 2 squared, which is 4. Now we have cosh square and sinh square. We can subtract each. And now what we can do is plug the values we found, or plug the terms we did find for each cosh square of x and sinh square of x, and do not forget the negative sign that in front of sinh square of x. So what I'm gonna do in the next step is I'm gonna take care of that negative sign. So I'm gonna multiply it by the parentheses, what's inside the parentheses. Now, since they have a common denominator, we can add and subtract them. So I'm just writing the terms together here at the top. Now what we can do is simplify these terms. So what we notice is that e to the negative 2x, and then we have negative e to the negative 2x. So this will go to 0. And we have also this term will gonna be 0 and 1 up by 2 plus 2, which is 4, and then over 4, and that gonna be 1. That's why cosh square of x minus sinh square of x is equal to 1.